Ecopower, a must-have in the livestock industry. Are you still upset over foul smell around the environment and the health of livestock? Bright Biotech International Ecopower Series. Improve your farm environment and livestock health. Ecopower Series. Eliminate foul smell. Improve health conditions. Turn excrement waste into organic fertilizer and excrement soil into gold. All by Ecopower. There are now about 7 million pigs in the Taiwan area, and the annual production is about $40 billion, which is the top of the entire livestock industry. However, pigs cause excrement waste, which has become the most serious pollution. It contains various water pollutants, including a high concentration of organic contents and suspended solids. Meanwhile, the foul smell seriously contaminates the environment. Recently, people have started to pay attention to the environment. Traditional pig farm communities are often complained about by neighbors and get fined by the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency. If farm excrement and wastewater are not well disposed of, rivers, water sources, and the air will be polluted. Also, this will affect the living quality of the neighborhood. And a pig industry which is protested against or fined will cause high operating costs and a great negative impact. Bright Biotech International Company Limited, which for the last 10 years has regarded improving environmental protection and health as the main managing direction, has the best biotechnology ability. In order to comply with the international environmental protection trend in animal husbandry requirements, Bright Biotech researches and develops high-quality sewage-abolishing disposal and environment improvement product series. There are 5 kinds of Bright Biotech Ecopower products, which totally solve the foul smell problem arising from raising pigs, cows, and ducks. They have also met the requirements for environmental protection safety on the health and meat quality of domestic animals. Based on different requests from different kinds of farms, Bright Biotech International provides an effective and economic solution. Bright Biotech Technology Group first diagnoses and analyzes the situation on the spot, and then recommends the proper product. The group also visits the field repeatedly and guides users on using the products and solving relevant technological problems. Bright Biotech International uses a bio-augmentation core developed by biochemical doctors and professional technicians. They have developed 5 major products in their Ecopower series to improve animal husbandry. Ecopower Excrement Sewage Disposer. Pour Bright Biotech Ecopower Excrement Sewage Disposer powder into facultative anaerobic pool. In the initial stage, beneficial bio-augmentation bacteria grow fast and eliminate harmful microorganisms in environmental sewage progressively to create an advantageous microorganism group. Meanwhile, it quickly dissolves organic matter pollutants and reaches the ideal purification results for BOD, COD, and SS examining value standard within a short time. The waste sewage remains after use of the Ecopower Excrement Sewage Disposer contains a composite fertilizer. It becomes a natural organic liquid which can be directly used on crops to promote higher yields. Furthermore, using Bright Biotech Ecopower Excrement Sewage Disposer can reduce the use of an aeration pool air blower. It considerably cuts power consumption and expenses every month. Ecopower Excrement Solid Fertilizer Fermentator. To deal with the solid excrement sewage, the Bright Biotech Solid Fertilizer Fermentator can be utilized after solid waste is separated from wastewater. Spread Ecopower Excrement Solid Fertilizer Fermentator on the compost surface. Advantages: 1. Reduce smell and flies, decompose rotten organic matter, and suppress microorganism growth. 2. Short maturation stage. Fertilizer normally takes 90 to 120 days to mature. Ecopower Fertilizer Fermentator only requires 3 to 4 weeks. 3. Mature fertilizer contains abundant probiotics. After the maturation period, all living creatures, harmful fungus, weeds, seeds, and noxious substances are decomposed and dispelled. Only the remaining probiotics have prolific growth. 4. Extra income. The matured compost is high-quality organic fertilizer which can be packed and sold. 5. Lower costs. Ecopower fertilizer fermentator uses 0.1 to 0.2% of fertilizer substrates and greatly shortens fertilizing time. It not only lowers costs, but also saves time. Ecopower Farm Environment Improver. Spread over the environment utilizing a spraying system after pouring Ecopower Farm Environment Improver into reservoir. In addition, the powder can be directly spread in the stinker area, such as urine ditch, floor, and wall of the pig house. It can totally remove stench, prevent pathogens, and reduce mosquitoes to improve environmental sanitation. Ecopower Farm Water Modifier Improver. Directly pour Ecopower Farm Water Modifier Improver into reservoir to remove organic pollution and pathogens. Also, it provides healthy drinking water and strengthens the immune system of pigs. Ecopower Feed Additive. Mix Ecopower feed additive and fodder in a ratio of 1 part per thousand, for example, 1 kilogram with 1 ton of fodder. Advantages. 1. Strengthen immune system of pigs, lower probability of contracting disease, and avoid use of antibiotics. 2. Increase appetite, promote growth, and improve growth rate. 3. Improve milk solid quality and increase milk secretion. 4. Improve feed utilization and reduce feeding cost. 5. Prevent bacteria from growing and reduce diarrhea and enteritis. 6. Improve excrement and reduce peculiar smell. Opinion of Domestic Large Pig Factory Director. Hello everyone, I'm the factory director of this pig husbandry. The most serious problem in pig husbandry is the stinky smell. Because we are very close to villages and communities, sometimes we get complaints from residents. Inspectors of the Department of Environmental Protection also often come to examine the facility. Thus, we had been bothered by this problem for years. We had tried thousands of ways to manage the problem, but could never solve it. However, we recently used Bright Biotech Ecopower series, including the feed additive, excrement sewage disposer, excrement solid fertilizer fermentator, environment improver, and water modifier improver. Miraculously, the concentration of hydrogen sulfide dropped 16 times the original value in a very short time. We never thought the concentration of hydrogen sulfide could be that low. Our colleagues also say that now their family never complains they are stinky when they get home. Visitors, including the inspectors of the Department of Environmental Protection, say they can hardly smell anything anymore. It really solved a huge problem, a problem that had been bothering us for years. Therefore, today I'm glad that I can share this miracle with everyone based on my experience. It is very easy to use the Ecopower series products. You only need to spread it wherever you need or add it to water. It becomes effective in a very short time. We have been in this industry for 20 years. We have tried thousands of products. Ecopower is the only product which has satisfied us. Therefore, I want to share this experience with everybody. Bright Biotech International Ecopower Series amazingly improves the health of pigs and the quality of pig environments. All measured data results are way better than the strict standard requirements. This is very good news for the pig industry, and it can also be done in other animal environments. Bright Biotech International R&D products not only exceed the national technology, but have also caught international attention. The research and development of Bright Biotech International Ecopower series greatly improves various kinds of environments. It has raised standards and greatly influenced the internationalization of the pig industry and other animal husbandry. Bright Biotech International uses remarkable technology to lead the industry towards the goal of internationalization.